Question number 1. During which stage of pregnancy is organogenesis most critical? The right answer is option A, first trimester. Question number 2. Which hormone maintains the corpus luteum during early pregnancy? The right answer is option C, human chronic gonadotropin HCG. Question number 3. What is the primary function of the placenta? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 4. What is the name of the structure that connects the fetus to the placenta? The right answer is option B, umbilical cord. Question number 5. Which hormone is responsible for softening the cervix during labor? The right answer is option D, prostaglandins. Question number 6. At what week of gestation is the fetus considered viable outside the womb under optimal conditions? The correct answer is option B, 24 weeks. Question number 7. What is the purpose of the amniotic fluid? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 8. Which of the following tests is commonly used for early pregnancy confirmation? The right answer is option C, beta HCG blood test. Question number 9. What is the term for the first moment of the fetus felt by the mother? The right answer is option A, quickening. Question number 10. What condition is characterized by high blood pressure, protein in the urine, and swelling during pregnancy? The right answer is option B, preeclampsia. Question number 11. When does the fetal heart start beating? The right answer is option B, by the end of the fourth week. Question number 12. What is the primary role of progesterone during pregnancy? The right answer is option B, suppressing uterine contractions. Question number 13. What is the normal duration of a full term pregnancy? The right answer is option C, 40 weeks. Question number 14. Which structure prevents the mixing of maternal and fetal blood? The right answer is option B, placental barrier. Question number 15. What is the medical term for a pregnancy that occurs outside the uterus? The right answer is option B, ectopic pregnancy. Question number 16. What is the term for the softening of the cervix that occurs during pregnancy? The right answer is option B, Godel's sign. Question number 17. What is the function of the ductus arteriosus in the fetal circulation? The right answer is option D. Question number 18. What is the most common cause of maternal death during pregnancy? The right answer is option A, hemorrhage. Question number 18. What is the most common cause of maternal death during pregnancy? The right answer is option A, hemorrhage. Question number 19. Which vitamin is most critical to prevent neural tube defects during pregnancy? The right answer is option C, folate, vitamin B9. Question number 20. What is the name of the fetal membrane that directly surrounds the fetus? The right answer is option B, amnion. Question number 21. What is the recommended weight gain during pregnancy for a woman with a normal BMI? The right answer is option C, 25 to 35 pounds. Question number 22. What is the medical term for the process of the baby dropping lure into the pelvis in preparation for labor? The right answer is option C, lightning. Question number 23. Which hormone is responsible for stimulating uterine contractions during labor? The right answer is option B, oxytocin. Question number 24. What is the primary diagnostic test used to confirm fetal well being in the third trimester? The right answer is option B, non stress test NST. Question number 25. What is the normal range of fetal heart rate during pregnancy? The right answer is option B, 110 to 160 bpm. Question number 26. What is the purpose of RH immunoglobulin during pregnancy? The correct answer is option C. Question number 27. Which of the following conditions is associated with excessive amniotic fluid? The right answer is option B, polyhydramnios. Question number 28. What is the name of the first stool passed by the newborn? The right answer is option B, meconium. Question number 29. Which diagnostic procedure is used to determine fetal lung maturity? The right answer is option B, amniocentesis. Question number 30. What is a common sign of ectopic pregnancy? The right answer is option B, severe abdominal or pelvic pain. Question number 31. What is the term for the condition where the placenta partially or completely covers the cervix? The right answer is option B, placenta previa. Question number 32. Which hormone stimulates milk ejection during breastfeeding? The right answer is option B, oxytocin. Question number 33. What is the primary role of prolactin in pregnancy? The right answer is option B, initiating milk production. Question number 34. What is the recommended frequency of parental visits during the third trimester for a healthy pregnancy? The right answer is option B, every 2 weeks. Question number 35. What is the term for the bluish discoloration of the cervix and vaginal walls during pregnancy? The right answer is option B, Question number 36. What is the most common site of implantation for an ectopic pregnancy? The right answer is option C, fallopian tube. Question number 37. Which test is used to assess fetal lung maturity by evaluating the lecithin to sphingomyelin ratio in amniotic fluid? The correct answer is option B. Question number 38. What condition is characterized by the absence of amniotic fluid? The correct answer is option D. Question number 39. Which of the following is a risk factor for gestational diabetes mellitus (GDM)? The right answer is option B, obesity. Question number 48. How many weeks of gestation is the gestational sac typically viable by transvaginal ultrasound? The right answer is option C, 5 weeks. Question number 41. What is the purpose of administering corticosteroid during preterm labor? The right answer is option B, promote fetal lung maturity. Question number 42. Which fetal assessment technique combines fetal heart rate monitoring and ultrasound to evaluate fetal well-being? The right answer is option A, biophysical profile BPP. Question number 43. What is the condition in which the umbilical cord slips ahead of the presenting part of the fetus? The right answer is option B, cord prolapse. Question number 44. Which of the following is not a contraindication for vaginal delivery? The right answer is option D, vertex presentation. Question number 45. What is the most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage? The right answer is option B, uterine atony. Question number 46. Which hormone is primarily responsible for preparing the uterus for implantation? The right answer is option B, progesterone. Question number 47. What is the first line treatment for severe preeclampsia during pregnancy? The right answer is option C, magnesium sulfate. Question number 48. What is the maximum duration of the latent phase of labor for a first time mother? The right answer is option C, 20 hours. Question number 49. Which diagnostic test is used to evaluate chromosomal abnormalities in the fetus? The right answer is option A. Question number 50. What is the term for the explosion of the placenta after delivery? The right answer is option B, third stage of labor. Question number 51. What condition is characterized by severe nausea and vomiting during pregnancy leading to dehydration and weight loss? The right answer is option B. Question number 52. What is the purpose of Leopold's maneuvers during parental care? The correct answer is option B. Determine fetal position and presentation. Question number 53. What is the medical term for the retraction of the uterus after delivery? The right answer is option A. Involution. Question number 54. What is the most common fetal presentation at term? The right answer is option C. Cephalic. Question number 55. Which hormone increases significantly to stimulate uterine growth during pregnancy? The right answer is option B. Estrogen. Thanks for watching.